Okay, we're done tuning our Santa Fe here, 2010. We came in for a retune today. The last tune we did was released back in 2017. You can look at the file here. Yeah, January 2014. January 14, 2017. So easily 3 years ago. So our first tune there, we have here the data. The baseline before. This is the tune 3 years ago, and this is the tune now. why do we require a retune? Well, basically, it's been a long time and it's considered part of maintenance. And like everything mechanical, wear and tear, things are looser, stuff breaks down, you change sensors, and those sensors give different values. You need to retune all of that to make sure that it's all back in optimum settings. So ideally, we want you to retune every year because number one, the weather changes every year. It's almost June and it's still very hot. I believe that Pagasa said this is the hottest it's ever been. So that's primary the determining factor on why you need to retune because number one, weather. Number two, it should be fuel supply. Not all fuels may be equal. There's a minimum rating for these things, but there are slight variations from batch to batch, and we can see that on the dyno. So overall, not bad. We got 214 wheel horse for a 10-year-old car. That's pretty good. And 523 Newton meters of torque. So, yeah, owner will be definitely happy after this one. Sunod yung Elantra. Better than last time.
Now it's what? 240. 240? At what RPM?
Wala, dulo.
Oo, dulo na.
Dulo. Near 4,000. So this was baseline. This was last 2017. This is now. Meron din. Right. Not bad for a 10-year-old car. 214 yan. Right? Oh. Kasi the Navara we do now, 220, 230.
For a new car, no?
For a new car. And this is 2 liters, 2.2.
So our baseline 27 was 181. No?
Yeah, 181 here. 181. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
At least maganda rin dito yung torque na nilagdag din kahit paano.
Oh yeah. From 402.
No, 400 was, okay, 402 was baseline. This was your tune dati. The orange line. Then this is now.
523. 4,000 RPM.
No, at 2,000 RPM. Diesels are baliktad.
Right,
Diesels
right.
are maximum torque at the lowest possible RPM.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, but their power graph behaves more like a gasoline engine in such that dun sa red line yung maximum power gain. Most diesels have maximum power here at 3,000 then drops.
Right.
Yeah.
So in this case, if you see this graph, I mean, the turbo is still functioning the way
Yes.
it is.
If turbo no function,
It's gonna
no
drop.
power.
Right. Okay.
If there's no boost, we're not even gonna make stock horsepower. So turbo's still fine.
All right. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.